following are the contents of the rectus sheath. In its contents, there are some muscles, arteries, and veins and nerves. So let us discuss about the muscles. Rectus abdominis muscle is the chief large content of the rectus sheath. As you can see in these diagrams, this is rectus abdominis muscle. And secondly, cremaster muscle is also present. Cremaster muscle is present inferior to the rectus abdominis muscle over here, and it originates from the pubic crust, pubic tubercle, and is inserted over the linea alba. So muscles that are present in the rectus sheath, these are rectus abdominis muscle, and over here cremaster muscle is present. There are some arteries that enters the sheath. As you can see in this diagram, this is superior epigastric artery. Superior epigastric artery passes between the xiphoid process and costal margin over the upper border of the rectus abdominis muscle, and it finally anastomoses with the inferior epigastric artery. So you can see in this diagram that superior epigastric artery passes between the costal margin. This is 5th, 6th and 7th costal cartilages. As you can see, this artery is passing between the xiphoid process and costal margin, enters the upper border of the rectus abdominis muscle and anastomoses with the inferior epigastric artery. This is inferior epigastric artery. Second artery is inferior epigastric artery. Inferior epigastric artery enters the sheath by passing in front of the arcuate line. Okay, over here arcuate line is present, so it passes in front of the arcuate line, enters the sheath and anastomoses with the superior epigastric artery. So there are two arteries present in the rectus sheath that enters the rectus sheath: superior epigastric artery and inferior epigastric artery. And there are two veins that accompany these arteries: superior epigastric vein that accompany the superior epigastric artery and finally joins the internal thoracic vein; inferior epigastric vein that accompanies the inferior epigastric artery and joins the external iliac vein. So superior inferior epigastric veins, superior inferior epigastric arteries are present that are included in the contents of the rectus sheath. There are some nerves that are included in the contents of rectus sheath. These are lower 6 thoracic nerves and lower 5 intercostal nerves and subcostal nerve. What is the function of the rectus sheath? Rectus sheath basically increases the efficiency of the muscle. Okay, it checks the bowing of the rectus muscle during its contraction and thus increases the efficiency of the rectus abdominis muscle. And secondly, it maintains the strength of the anterior abdominal wall, which is the main function. So rectus sheath basically maintains the strength to the anterior abdominal wall. It gives strength to the anterior abdominal wall.